Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. India's relatively strong industrial performance in November 2025, especially driven by the manufacturing sector as it was more likely a flash in the pan than the start of a consistent trend. The index of industrial production grew 6.7% in November, the fastest growth rate in 25 months. Within this, the manufacturing sector grew 8%, which has also was the fastest in 25 months. On the face of it, this would look remarkable and heartening, especially since October 2025 had seen growth slow to a 14-month low. However, this surge in growth was more likely due to seasonal and one-off factors. According to economists, the strongest push for growth came from sellers restocking their supplies following the festive season. The second factor is that the government timid the goods and services tax rate reductions to coincide with the festive season. This temporary bump in demand would have further eroded stock levels, which then needed to be replenished. In fact, the consumer durables and non-durables sectors saw growth in November rebounding to 10% and 7%, a 12-month and 25-month high, respectively. The third factor that seems to have worked in November is the bounce back of the mining sector following 2 months of contractions due to an unseasonably long monsoon. The mining sector saw growth come in at a reasonably strong 5% in November 2025. All of these are legitimate reasons for growth to pick up, but are not sustainable ones. The electricity and mining sectors will be bound by the vagaries of the weather. Overall consumer demand has been sluggish, and industry players are talking of the GST related boost already ebbing. And the festive season will not come back around until October November 2026. In fact, the IIP grew just 3% in the longer April November period, the lowest for these 8 months in any of the post COVID 19 pandemic years. Stop. The consumer non durables sector contracted 1% during this period, showing that the boost in November is not indicative. Stop. Dictation ends.